Do you want to learn how to paint a haunted house easily, but you don't have much experience with watercolors? Hi, I'm Eliza, the watercolor witch, and I now serve more than 4,000 watercolor students all around the globe. I'm focusing on easy-to-paint watercolor projects, so if you take this class, I will teach you how to paint this fun haunted house within an hour. We are going to talk about how to sketch a successful underdrawing and how to paint the colors and the black shades in order to create a cool Halloween illustration. While in other classes you need to sketch the project yourself, in this beginner-friendly class I included a downloadable line art template, so you don't need to struggle drawing the lines on your own. So there is nothing to risk. Grab your brushes and your watercolor palette and start painting now. See you in the class!